Ready to turn your passion into profit? Payhip is your all-in-one platform to launch and manage your online business. Payhip is designed for creators and entrepreneurs, offering an easy-to-use solution for selling digital products, memberships, and even physical goods. Getting started is simple. Visit Payhip.com, create a free account, and then head to settings to personalize your store's name, logo, and overall look. To add your first offering, click Add Product. Choose from digital products for downloads, physical products for tangible items, services for your expertise, or memberships for recurring revenue. For digital items, upload your file, write a captivating description, and set your price. Physical products require shipping details and inventory management, while memberships allow you to define access tiers and exclusive content. Payhip integrates seamlessly with trusted payment providers like PayPal and Stripe, ensuring secure and smooth transactions for your customers worldwide. Keep track of your business with ease. The dashboard offers a clear, real-time overview of your orders, earnings, and customer interactions. Promote your store and products across your social media channels, website, and email lists to attract customers. Payhip handles the technical side, so you can focus on creating. Start selling your creations today and build your dream business with Payhip.